Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of random number generator. First we have to import random. To import random we put import java.util.random, and inside of this public main statement we put main function, we put random dice is equal to new random bracket and a semicolon, then integer number, then in a for loop we are going to put integer counter is equal to 1, counter is equal to 1, and then counter, we set the condition counter is less than or equal to 10, and then we do the increment by 1, counter plus plus, counter plus plus, and number is equal to 1 plus dice dot next int 6, next int 6, and then system dot out dot print line number plus, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now here you can see the random numbers are generated. So as you run again, you will get different numbers, and that's it. That's how you do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist, and also if you want to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I hope you blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.